What's up guys? It's been a while since I've uploaded, but I just wanted to do an update video and also a little bit of a progression thing. I have not been practicing, and this video is supposed to be basically a declaration of me saying I'm gonna start practicing again and I'm gonna start uploading them again. I just did a whole take, but part of my legs were cut off while I was doing flares, so I'm gonna try to do it again. So I basically did a small practice session just now, but I'm okay with doing like 2 more reps of each. So basically what I'm gonna be doing with this channel is, well, originally this channel was dedicated to try and capture my progress for stuff like calisthenics and breaking and gymnastics. And that is still what I'm trying to do, and that is what I will continue to do. But I'm also gonna start mixing in some stuff from my life. Like, I'll be talking about my other channel, Dreamlet, and I'll probably be making random videos on this channel just because I feel like a desire to just be creative, and I think YouTube is a great place for that, and I don't want to like post random stuff on my other channel. So I'll do so on this one because it's, you know, it's small. I don't have many subscribers, and I haven't been uploading, so it's pretty much like a blank slate. Today, or I just did it, but I'll show you guys again. I'll go ahead and edit it so that you can see my first version, but I'm gonna do 2 flares right now. Let's start with that. Okay. It looks like every time I do it, it gets better. So I do think that one was the best out of the 4 that I did. And let's go ahead and do hand hops. So I got to watch the video, and in the video, my hand hops were, first they started out kind of clean, like when I was just trying to do 1. And when I was just holding it, and then I kicked out. But then when I started doing more reps, or trying for more reps, it became super sloppy and kind of ugly, honestly. So even if I got those, I wouldn't like them. So I'm gonna fix it. It was basically, I believe it was this leg, or it doesn't really matter. Both of them are supposed to be together, so it just wasn't like in enough, like near my chest. And it was more like out, like here, while it should be like that. So I'm gonna try and fix that right now. And just do 1. Okay, I kicked outwards. There we go. That one was decent, I think. I felt like it will look better just because I was thinking about form quite a lot. So I'm just gonna try and do them like that because I think in the past all of them were kind of a little sloppy. So in the past video I was thinking form, reps, which one should I aim for? I said that I was gonna do form and then aim for reps afterwards, but honestly I think just keeping the form is gonna be my priority, just because I feel like I have a good feeling about it, so I'm just gonna stick with it. And then left side. Left side. I probably shouldn't kick yet. I'm gonna try to get balance again. I know I hopped before, but it's been a while, so. And that's where I'm gonna close off the video. This is me trying to get back into things and also upload in this channel and explore, basically. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys find these videos either entertaining or maybe helpful. I don't know. I'm not really trying to be necessarily a teacher for these things. More so a student trying to track my progress and along the way. If you guys learned something, then I'm glad about that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you guys in the next video.